Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a dual controller relay control flight test of the Skydroid GR02 relay receiver. In real-world drone operations, situations such as terrain obstruction, beyond visual line of sight flights, or takeoff and landing from different locations can place certain limitations on using a single remote controller. So, can the GR02 receiver work with two remote controllers to achieve seamless control handover? And can both remote controllers receive the drone's video and telemetry data at the same time? Today we'll find out through an actual flight test and see how the Skydroid GR02 performs. To solve the challenges of controlling unmanned devices in complex environments such as mountainous terrain, beyond visual line of sight operations and remote takeoff and landing, Skydroid has launched the new GR02 receiver with dual frequency and dual mode capabilities. The GR02 supports simultaneous operation on 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. The primary and secondary remote controllers can receive video and telemetry data simultaneously. Control can be switched manually with a button, or automatically transferred to the other controller when the primary link is disconnected, enabling seamless in-air control handover and AB point remote takeoff and landing, further improving the safety of unmanned operations in complex environments. For this test, we used the GR02 receiver together with two remote controllers, the Skydroid G30 and Skydroid G16. The gimbal camera used in the test is the Skydroid C11. The three views shown in the video are the control view from the G16 remote controller, the control view from the G30 remote controller, and the drone flight footage recorded by a smartphone. First, we used the G16 to take off and fly the drone to the middle of the test area. Next, we press the pre-configured control handover button to transfer control of the drone to the G30. As you can see, the drone is now being controlled by the G30 remote controller, and the G30 can operate the drone normally. Next, we press the control handover button again and control was transferred back to the G16. Finally, we used the G16 to land the drone, completing the entire control handover process successfully. From this test, we can see that the GR02 allows both remote controllers to receive video and telemetry data simultaneously, while also enabling rapid control handover between the primary and secondary remote controllers. This design can effectively handle complex applications such as mountainous terrain obstruction, beyond visual line of sight operations, and remote takeoff and landing, making long-distance unmanned operations more flexible and safer. If you're not sure how to configure the G16 and G30 as the primary and secondary remote controllers, you can watch our previous video or click the link below the video for a detailed setup tutorial. That's all for this GR02 relay control flight test. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone equipment tests, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.